Hi, in this video we're going to dig deeper into Scriban templates and understand more about how to create for loops, conditions, and null checks within Scriban templates. So let's get started. So I'm here in my source control, my SXA CLI, and the couple of things I wanted to show today is first, as I said, for loops. So within a Scriban template, let's say here I'm creating a cards template. So what I can do here is actually do a query for children. So I'm now saying query of items children, and I just go through a for loop for each one of them and add its description and link. It's that easy. So even though in most cases you don't want to put your for loops here, but this is how to ultimately do it if you want to define a query directly from here or want to for loop through specific items. The second thing I wanted to show is if conditions and null checks. So here what I wanted to do is I wanted to create cards, and these cards can have an image, but it's optional. So what I do here is I do an if item the thumbnail, that's the name of my image field, dot row does not equal empty, show this. So if there is an empty, if there is an image, show it. If not, just remove this whole div all in all. And of course you can also do something like does not equal null, but be careful because a lot of the fields actually return a value all the time, so you need to always do an empty check as well. You also can use sc_translate for reading something from dictionary. So here I'm reading the global by field from the dictionary directly, and I do sc_translate global by to read that dictionary field. This is something actually different. This is creating my own custom context within Scriban, which we're going to see in the next video. The one thing I wanted to focus on today is the conditions. So in this scenario, what I wanted to do is I wanted to have my search results display different cards depending on the type of content. So based on the content type, it can be either an article, a blog, an event, an image gallery, insight, news, and so on and so forth. I wanted each one of them to have a completely different look and feel. I did this by creating this card Scriban template, and within it all these different templates. Let's see what the card has. So if I go back to my templates here, we have this condition Scriban, and as you can see, what I'm saying is if item template name is article, go execute. So I use sc_execute with item as a parameter, the article template. What this will do is it will actually call or execute this Scriban template. And I did this for all the conditions or all the different types I have, so that I don't have all my code in one single place. It's subdivided, so it's easier for me to maintain and easier for my front-end developers to work on each card separately. And you can see here, each card has its own template written down here. Thank you for watching. As we discussed, next video, we're going to have a look at how to create our own custom templates within Scriban.